Hi everyone, welcome to another maths video by Maths with Sarah. So today we're going to be tackling this question that looks at the cost of apples and bananas. So although this question says it's taken from a Key Stage 2 or Year 6 SATS paper, you might think this question is probably around age 10, 11 years old. But in actual fact, this is a really tricky question. So if you're 10 or 11 and you can tackle and you can do this question, then really well done you. Equally, if you're a little bit older, I still think this is a really good question to give it a go. And if you're older still, it's a great warm-up. Okay, so we have got, the question is, how much does one banana cost? And we've been given two pieces of information. Chen buys 2 apples and 3 bananas, and he pays £2.35. Megan buys 2 apples and 1 banana, and she pays £1.25. We've been asked, how much does 1 banana cost? Okay, so how do we go about working this one out? We could use trial and error. We could get different amounts for the apples and different amounts for the bananas until we figured out something that worked. But there is a slightly better way of doing this. So we know that we've got 2 apples and 3 bananas, and that costs this amount. We've got 2 apples and 1 banana, and that costs slightly less. So we know that the difference between this and this is the same as the difference between this and this. So we've got 2 apples in both of them. This one we've got 1 banana, this one we've got 3 bananas. So we've got here, we've got 2 bananas. As we go from this set of fruit to this set of fruit, we're adding 2 bananas. So similarly, if we're going from £1.25 to £2.35, we are adding £1.10. Yeah, so we're going from £1.25 to £2.35. We're adding £1.10. Okay, so when we add 2 bananas, the cost goes up by £1.10. So how much do you think 1 banana would cost? Let's work this out. So we know that £1.10 is equal to 2 bananas. So we're going to need to halve it to work out the cost of 1 banana. So if we do £1.10, we've got split the 10 in half, we've got 5p. And if we split the £1 in half, then half of £1 is the same as 50. That will be 55p for 1 banana. So once you start to think of it like this, where we think about what we're adding each time, so we're going from all the changes here is we're adding 2 bananas, and then we can work out the cost difference as well, and use that to work out what the banana costs. It actually doesn't seem too complicated, but actually getting this step when you're looking at this and thinking, how on earth do I tackle this question, is a little bit more difficult. So really don't be too worried if you didn't get this question, and it comes with practice. So the more types of questions like this that you do, the better and more confident you will be when it comes to tackling this style of question. But as I did say, it's a particularly tough question. So don't be too worried if you struggled with it a little bit. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and I really encourage you to subscribe to my channel to get the next videos that are coming out.